Good morning and welcome to Year 4 Maths with me, Miss Dowley. So I'm just going to minimise me. So let's start by writing the short date and underlining, and then the learning objective. I can count forwards to 50 in steps of 5. So the first activity, I'd like you to count in twos and fill in the missing numbers on the socks. Pause whilst you have a try. So how did you get on? So you should have had 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48. I hope you got on well with that. So let's try forwards and backwards from any number. So let's start at 10 and count forwards in tens to 40. Start at 30 and count backwards in tens to 0. Start at 4 and count forwards in twos to 42. Start at 36 and count backwards in twos to 8. Pause whilst you have a try. Remember to keep practicing until you feel confident with your counting. Then try without the number square. So now we're going to count in steps of 5 from 0 to 50. Point to each number as you count and colour it in. Pause whilst you have a try. So what numbers did you say? Let's try this together. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Can you see any patterns with the numbers you've coloured in? Keep practicing until you feel confident counting in steps of 5 from 0 to 50. So did you have a pattern like below? And if we look, we can see that our numbers end in either a 5 or a 0. And that actually we end up with 2 lines. Keep practicing counting in steps of 5 until you feel confident, and then have a try without the number square. So now we can try counting backwards in steps of 5 from other numbers. Now we're only going to use numbers that are in our 5 times table. Point to each number as you count. So start at 15 and count forward to 45. Remember, you're counting in steps of 5. Start at 25 and count forwards in 5s to 50. Start at 35 and count forwards in 5s to 45. Start at 5 and count forwards in 5s to 40. Start at 10 and count forwards in 5s to 35. Keep practicing, and when you feel confident, try without the number square. So here's some missing numbers. Can you fill in the steps of 5 that are missing on each of the 3 paths? Pause whilst you try. And remember, you can use these sites for games. Thank you.